Greetings. What if there was an advanced Google Assistant or Siri like Iron Man's Jarvis, which could do any task you want?
Jarvis, drop my needle.
Well, something like that exists and it's called ACT-1, which is made by a company called Adept AI. ACT-1 is an action transformer. Its foundational model was trained on every software, API or web app that exists. You just simply write the command in the text box and ACT-1 does the rest. Let me show it to you with some examples. It was given a prompt to find a house in Houston that works for a family of 4 and budget of 600k was given. And it does the rest. As you can see, it set the location, price range and number of beds all by itself and shows us the result. Well, this thing has a lot of application. Imagine you go to a website, give this AI the task you want and your work is done within seconds. It even works on Wikipedia. You can find the relevant information without yourself going through the text, like how old was the actor who played Mace Windu in Star Wars, and within seconds you get the results. This not only works with website but with any software tool you want like Figma, Unity or Excel. Here's a video of it performing Excel tasks. It can do almost everything. AI has been in trend from the past few months with coming of ChatGPT, DALL-E, Midjourney. People say that AI will replace human being. Well, I don't agree with that, but I think people who use AI tools will replace others cause look what happened with dictionaries. Nobody uses them now. You can just Google the word. Natural language interfaces powered by action transformer like ACT-1 will dramatically expand what we can do in front of our devices. Like most interaction with computers will be done using natural language, not GUIs. Documentations, manuals and FAQs will be for AI models, not for people. It will be easier to use our devices as well as complex software. I mean, it can even do sales forces, it can add leads and call people on their own. Now let's come to the sad part. This tool isn't available to general public yet, but if you want to use the tool you can join their waitlist. I will paste the link in description. Thanks for watching. If you find this video insightful, make sure you like the video and consider subscribing. It's free. I will make videos on AI tools and their use cases every week.